Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my
That's your
life.
Uber for this
I can
Christmas.
see it now, see it now, see now.
Give me the car.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside,
God.
then you see
Girl, are you
me
for
now,
real?
see me now, see me now.
Christmas.
Babes, are you
Don't need any
serious?
timeline to prove
Oh my
that this is
God.
my life.
Oh
I
my
can
God.
see
I
it
can't
now,
believe.
see
Babes,
it
are you
now,
for
see
real right now? You're serious?
Best foot
Like,
forward.
is this
Don't
our car?
catch you slipping.
No, this is your
This
car.
is our car.
No, my
Oh my God. Babe, are you
Things that you're
serious?
feeling, capture your
Wow, I've
body,
always
get
wanted,
your
like,
best
big
side,
cars like
breathe in
this.
the world.
I've always
Fake us
wanted
a
big
smile,
cars like
walking
this.
the lines fine, but I hope one
Oh
day
my God,
you'll
babe,
break
no
through.
way. Oh my God.
the sun.
You'll
Oh
be
my
living your
God.
good
This is
life.
crazy.
Catch a
Babe, are you
glimpse of the
serious?
outside, then
Why
you
people asking me if I'm
see
serious?
me now, see me now, see now. Don't need
Oh,
any
the guy's come
timeline
already.
to prove that this is my life.
Wow.
I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Wow, babe. This is
You'll be living
crazy.
your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then
Just
you
welcome me to
see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
You know this
I
is
can
rich
see it
people's
now,
car.
see it now,
Like
see
the
now.
kind of cars that you move
Yeah, you're
for
rich,
them to pass when you're
you're
driving.
Rich auntie now. Me, I'm
Oh
not-
my
I'm not
God.
one of them.
Babe, are you for real? Yo, it even has the papers, like the wrappers.
It's
Oh,
fresh.
oh my God. Wow.
You good?
Yo, babes, are you serious?
Babe.
Who gave me the car? Was using glow?
The
Oh
glow,
my
come
God. Let me see. Are you serious? Babes, oh my God, I can't be... Are you for real? Have you hired this car to prank me, babes? If you've hired this car to prank me, tell me now. Babes, tell me now.
Congratulations, Miss Trudy, and God bless you, Maya, for making her happy always. And all the doubting Thomas. I mean, when you guys were dating the first time, Miss Trudy saw when they met at Ethiopia, people were like, Maya is not going to marry Miss Trudy. He's just using her for content, and now you guys are watching this yourself. And this is the best gift ever. This is the best gift ever as a Christmas gift. We, the fans of Wadamaya and Miss Trudy, we are so happy for you guys. God bless you, Wadamaya, and Congratulations, Miss Trudy. We are so happy for you for making your day and making your stay in Ghana so lovely. This car is so nice. Congratulations and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.